Remove the two screws on the side of the drum unit. Remove the green plastic cover. Remove the two screws. Remove the metal plate. Remove the drum. Remove the metal spring of the drum so you don't lose it. Clean the drum with isopropyl alcohol. Be careful to hold the drum and remember the light may damage it. For more information on how to clean a drum, in the description of the video you'll find a link to a video on this topic. Reinstall the metal spring. Install the drum. Insert the metal plate. Insert the two screws. Reinstall the green plastic plate. Install the two screws. And the work is done. For any problem with the cartridge, in the description of the video you will find a link to a troubleshooting guide.